Hi guys, welcome to Digital channel guys. So guys, SEO major error is called 404 error. So when will get the 404 error? 404 error nothing but page does not exist, page not found. That is called 404 error. So this error, sir, I have not resolved my option. This comment I'm received this week will be 4 to 5 comments I received by through WhatsApp, through email, and we get the received by YouTube comment box also. So what is the major issues? So first of all, which platform are you designing making a so design website or making a website? First of all, select that future first. It is HTML or PHP website. In this purpose, first of all, after .com in this website, I enter something here, enter in this. So same website is open. In the C panel, go to file manager option. We have option name is called .xtxs file. Here, this future will be given by the redirection. So I'm remove this option, save update, and enter it. So nothing will be error occur. What is the reason? We have one more option is there. So update. I got 404 error. That means I'm not activate my 404 error. .xtxs file is called hidden folder. So it visible. Go to setting. Show hidden folder will be disabled. Show hidden folder will be disabled. The file will be not visible by users. In this purpose, setting show hidden files, the file visible to the customers means in your C panel. After this one, you can add this content, only two-line code. Suppose my website will HTML. I'm writing for suppose PHP. I'm writing suppose. Now I'm writing for enter here. So what happened? I'll show it error. Why? Because my website will be HTML, but I'm using extension will be PHP. So home page is redirection is more important. In this one, I'll close here. Here, I'm adding for HTML. Save and enter it. Based on your website, that future is the exist on your C panel. That is a hidden file, activate hidden file. Go to this code. Only two-line code we can activate for writing this option. If your particular website is not working, you can give me the option. I'll writing a code. I'll give to you in your email by send the email option. No need to worry. Just follow these instructions. .xtxs file is the hidden file. That is just hidden the will be activate and update this code. Extension more important. If your PHP website, use the PHP. HTML, use the HTML and activate the 404 will be error will be resolved on your particular website. Some pages will be given by the nominal pages, but I'm give to the home page option. So this is a future will give to the customers. We don't paste my page. That is the purpose we can redirect to the my home page option for any page will be missing on my website. Remember 404 error theme, but any file will be does not exist. A file will be mismatched. The show error will be called 404 error. This will be keep it into mind to work on your particular website to resolve the 404 error. If any further doubts, ask me to the Digital channel comment box. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.